Wow, my hair feels so soft and silky. This home remedy totally works. Hi guys, this is Lasha Bata and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use aloe vera for hair growth and getting softer and silkier hair. We all know that aloe vera is a wonder ingredient for the skin, but did you know that aloe vera also helps in making hair stronger and softer? So I've been using aloe vera on my hair and it's considerably made my hair so much more softer than what it was earlier. Aloe vera contains a host of vitamins which helps repair and strengthen the hair strands. It also improves and stimulates blood circulation. So basically that just increases the nutrition to the hair follicles and that just makes the hair softer. So without much ado, let me show you the best aloe vera home remedies for softer and longer hair. First up is the aloe vera scalp treatment. For this DIY, all you need is a clean aloe leaf. Just remove the sharp edges and cut it in pieces. Also slice it up in 2 halves. Now make horizontal and vertical cuts on the leaf with a knife as shown. Next, simply massage it on your scalp and leave it on for an hour. This gives great results and helps in calming down an itchy scalp. It also reduces dandruff when used regularly. Along with these benefits, it will also nourish your scalp, giving you softer and silkier hair. Use this as often as twice a week. Next, we have the aloe vera and vitamin E hair mask for hair growth. For this, you need 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 to 2 capsules of vitamin E, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients together and massage it on your scalp through the ends. This is one of the best aloe vera remedies for stimulating hair growth, as vitamin E is a natural antioxidant which helps in repairing damaged hair follicles and strengthens the hair. Aloe vera also consists of enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp and promote hair growth. Keep this on for at least an hour. This is one of the most effective DIY remedies for growing hair longer and thicker. Before I tell you more such amazing home remedies, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more such natural DIYs. Next is the aloe vera and yogurt hair mask for silky hair. For this you need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients together and please make sure you use fresh aloe vera gel only. Apply this through your hair and put on a shower cap. Definitely one of the best DIY hair masks for making your hair softer. Yogurt is full of protein and consists of lactic acid, which gently cleanses the scalp of dead skin cells. When paired with aloe vera gel and honey, it deeply nourishes the hair and you can see the result from the first wash itself. Keep this on for at least 30 minutes. Then we have the aloe vera and egg mask for silky and strong hair. For this we need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of coconut or olive oil. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Apply this on your scalp as well as the hair strands. Egg yolk contains a naturally occurring peptide that aids the hair growth. In combination with the hair oil and aloe vera, it helps nourish your hair and boosts the rate at which your hair is growing. This also smoothens the hair and it feels soft after usage. Then we have the aloe vera and neem hair booster oil. For this you need 1 aloe vera leaf, handful of fresh neem leaves, half cup of organic coconut oil. Remove the sharp edges from the aloe vera leaf and cut it into cubes. Now using the double boiler method, heat the coconut oil for 5 minutes. Then add the neem leaves and heat this for another 5 minutes while stirring the oil. Next, add the aloe vera cubes and let it boil for 10 minutes. After this, please turn off the flame. Let this sit in the hot water for 30 minutes. Strain it into a glass jar and use as needed. You can store this for a minimum of 2 months. You can massage this on your scalp and keep it overnight. Use this at least once a week and you will notice amazing results with this. Neem, which is known for its medicinal properties, is an effective herb for treating hair loss. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourages hair growth. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, it is also an excellent way to curb dandruff. This is a wonder remedy and my family swears by it. Try this for at least a month and I'm sure you will see very good results. So these were some of the most effective ways of using aloe vera for tackling hair fall and dryness. Now I know some people also suggest using aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner, and that just makes me cringe. If you've actually used it as a leave-in conditioner, then you know aloe vera leaves this sticky white residue and makes your hair look really bad. I highly recommend using aloe vera as a deep conditioning mask or an oil, basically like a pre-wash. So after you've used aloe vera, please do wash it off with a mild shampoo. I hope you found all these DIY recipes helpful. Do comment below and tell me which one was your favorite. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you want me to post more such home remedies. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I show you some of the best tried and tested DIY solutions for skin and hair.